Got the sticker on. Got some cool colors. Whoa, almost dying here. Shit's shaking like a motherfucker. What's going on, guys? The Devil VT here. About to do a pretty cool video. I've always wanted to go on a dyno, and now I officially have that chance. A local group of mine on my Facebook groups, Focus ST, Focus RS, and Fiesta ST group, they have a dyno day today. The same person that is doing that dyno is the same person who's going to be custom e-tuning my car in the next couple of weeks. I'll try to make a video to show kind of the exact steps that you're going to do for an e-tune, as well as a follow-up dyno video as what I'm at now, which is with a Cobb OTS Stage 1 map, to what I'm going to be with Tim's new tune when I'm full bolt on Stage 3. And it should be a significant difference with that custom tune as far as feel from what I heard. So I'm super excited about that. But we're just going to take a nice trip today, go down, see a bunch of cool cars, and see what my number puts out. All right, guys, see you there. Also just got this sticker from 1320. Super excited to put this on. It's going to look sick.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember.
Got the sticker on. Here we go. Oh yeah, looking clean. It's hot as balls. Alright guys, turn down my AC here real quick. About to head over to the dyno location, so I'll see y'all there. We'll just kind of have fun with it.
Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms. Feel it in your legs. Feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go.
Guys, stopped to get some gas real quick right before the dyno can. I was kind of almost on empty, so making sure I have gas before I get dyno is probably a little bit important, right? So let's go get that gas.
Let your body go. Let your body go and move to the rhythm.
Yeah, buddy, full tank. All right, guys, just got the gas. We're about to the dyno spot next and get her dynoed. Let's get it. Almost there. Let's get it. Okay, so I'm having a little bit of issues here. I'm trying to track down kind of where this spot is at. I've gotten 3 addresses so far, and obviously no Focus ST or RS is here. Gonna try to call somebody up, see if I can figure this situation out real quick. We found it. We got a little Focus RS here. Shit ton of Evos. Holy crap. Shit ton of Evos. Okay. So Focus RS. Focus STs. Hell yeah. Alright, y'all, made it to the spot. Got some cool cars. This thing's clean. Hell yeah. Talk about your car, what you got?
Oh man, if you want to, I mean, I don't know.
Sure.
It's full bow time, minus big turbo, Stage 3,
Cool.
if you will.
Good stuff.
Got AWE track exhaust, CJ Pony Parts, high flow cat, or body chassis from TB Performance, which I love. Recommend it to anybody. Short shifter plate from Mount Tune, intake from Mount Tune, which is freaking phenomenal. I love that thing. It's gorgeous.
You been on the dyno yet?
No, I'm too afraid.
Yeah.
Too afraid to be disappointed.
Too afraid,
Too
yeah.
afraid to be disappointed.
It always happens, but
A little custom interior, nothing much. Just trying to keep it clean, and I don't know. Eventually, I just go show, I guess, really, because you know it costs too much to go just little increments.
No,
so
for sure, yeah.
Too expensive to just add a, you know, 100
especially
horsepower.
especially when that mod bug bites you. You know, you just keep going crazy.
Plus, you know, I like the reliability of it.
Sure, for sure. Yeah,
hear horror stories, but I'll hear positive stories too.
Yeah, exactly. You never know.
Yeah, full maxed in, I guess, body kit, if you will. Just
yeah, it's looking
the
clean.
rears, the sides.
Really loud. Yeah, really nice. Well done. It's simple.
I like to go tasteful versus loud and
Right.
oversized.
Got the red. Is that custom or?
Yeah, it's custom.
ST3, do you like mine? Nice shift knob. What shift knob is that?
Man, it's Anarchy Motive. I love it. Once you finally do get it, it's pretty nice.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Julian.
Awesome. Good stuff.
Yeah.
Spotted this from a distance. The paint is beautiful. Got the cool little fog lights on the bottom. Wow, that is insane. Nice wheel setup, little Fiesta. Looks pretty cool. I mean, I heard these cars are pretty fun, especially when you put a little bit of power on them. Looks mad aggressive. Really dig this car. Evo, another Evo, got another Evo, another one.
Go to the left.
Whoa, almost dying here.
Damn.
Almost killed himself. All right, just currently waiting to see where my car's at with the dyno. Just gonna be watching other people's cars, see how they're doing. Looks like the dyno jet right now is at peak performance. Crossing my fingers, I get some decent numbers. Got Deshaun out here fixing fucking charge pipes. Is it hot under there?
It is actually extremely hot up here.
Yeah, gotta get some tape to fix the Deshaun's car. Oh, okay. This guy comes in here. Man, try to shoot a video here. Grab the screwing that hoe in. Oh yeah. What he made. 500 horsepower. Now that shit was loud. Fucking hurt my ears. It's ringing a little bit. Feet Deshaun in the background. Do a burnout. Ooh, popping in.
Here's a long block. Fucking donate and then we'll swap engines. Well, I don't have $12,000 either. So.
What do you think it's gonna make?
I'd like 265.
65? Blowing my eardrums. Fucking hurts. Shit sounds good though, but oh my god. Shit is loud. Hell no. Okay, y'all, so basically I'm gonna be next after this Focus RS goes. Kind of where we're at. Most of the people who are stage 3 who have that custom tune, basically like between 250 to 270 horsepower, and for torque around 350 to 380 is the highest I've seen. With my stage 1 map, I mean obviously it's going to be a lot lower since I'm only peaking at 21. If we're at 230 horsepower and 330 wheel torque, I'll be happy with that. Just going to cross our fingers and see where we're at. All right, let's find out. Got this sick Evo over here getting worked on. It's getting full built motor right now to be high horsepower. I mean, there's literally Evos everywhere. That's where he specializes in. He's got a lot of Evos, obviously. One on the lift, another one down over there. Alright y'all, so the Focus RS is coming off the dyno. It made 295 wheel horsepower and around almost 400 wheel torque, so that's pretty good. I think it was a tune plus tune by Adam. So now I'm next. See what I make. Yeah, again, I'm on a stage 1 map from it's one of the Cobb off-the-shelf maps. So kind of curious what it'll be at, but let's just hope Sapphire A doesn't blow up and B makes pretty good numbers. I'm hoping if I make 230 wheel horsepower and, you know, over 300 wheel torque, I'll be happy. So cross my fingers. Here we go.
AA band. Laser.
Currently waiting, next in line. All right, he's backing up. Looks like it's my turn. My heart's beating so fast. I'm so nervous with what my numbers are gonna be. Hopefully they're decent. It's giving me the wave. Here we go. All right, mine's next. Oof, big spoolie boy. That thing sounded insane. That turbo spool is insane. Bahama Bucks is where it's at. You gotta sponsor this video. Bahama Bucks, you can sponsor this video. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Got any guesstimates here, Deshaun?
Stage 1,
Yeah.
255.
Oh shit! No way. If I hit 255, bro, I'll do a lap around the building naked, bro. No, there's no way. I'm guessing 230. 230. So you're guessing 230? 230. 230. 230. All right, 230. If we hit 255, I already made a promise. I'm gonna make a lap around the whole building, completely naked. All right.
I think so, yeah.
Witness. Got a witness.
Let's see what happens.
It's kind of loud. Apologize if it's loud. I got the fans going on because they're cooling. Here in a couple minutes, gonna start doing some pulls. Woo, a little bit slippery. Shit's shaking like a motherfucker. This shit's a little bit sketchy. Baby Jesus. Damn. Hell no. Delicious. It tasted delicious.
You said your OTS, right?
Yeah. Tuner just came up to me and asked me what tune I'm running. I'm gonna guess it's really good numbers, so I may have to be running outside naked. I'm kind of scared. Whoop, that turbo though. The fucking brake squeal. It's loud. Hell no. Number 1 step, upgrade your fucking brakes. Shit's loud.
How much?
250, 305.
Are you fucking serious?
Yeah, man, that's pretty good.
Holy shit.
That's impressive.
Stage 1 map.
No shit?
It's off the shelf.
Wow, that's pretty close.
Fuck, I have to run naked now. No, I was kidding.
Why, was that the bet?
Yeah, remember if I said 250 and up, I'd have to run outside.
You better fucking own up to it, dude.
Damn it. Someone's about to record me.
I'll record you.
This is embarrassing a little bit. That's
yeah,
good ass numbers. That's good ass numbers though.
Good ass numbers.
Holy shit.
Yeah, look.
Look at that graph. Wow. 253, 317. Fuck yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah, man.
Good shit.
Congrats.
We just got done with the dyno. About to head back home and we'll wrap this video up. Pretty impressed overall with the numbers. A lot higher than I thought for the horsepower. Torque was a little bit, a little low, but once we get that custom tune, it'll definitely improve. So I'll catch y'all once I get home. Hey guys, so I'm back at home now. Got done with the video. It's been a long, fun, and exciting day. Those numbers that I got, I'm super happy with. especially as a baseline for just a stage 1 map. I mean, it's pretty impressive, the numbers that I got. It was 253 wheel horsepower and 317 foot-pounds of torque to the wheels. That intercooler is going to be extremely crucial to me because that thing heat soaked for the second and third pull. So making sure I get that intercooler is going to make sure I get those consistent pulls without it heat soaking to 160 plus degrees. The numbers I received are pretty good. Once Tim tunes it and gives it kind of his custom tuning, it'll definitely be a lot higher, and even better, it'll be more consistent and smooth. That's the biggest thing with these off-the-shelf maps, is they're really random. The custom tune is going to be more keen on to how your car is handling everything, as well as the parts and etc, etc. So I'm super excited. But anyways, thanks for tuning in today's video. Make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Make sure you hit that bell notification as well as hit that subscribe button. Thanks guys, thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one. Peace!